Hello. In this video, we will fix the Play Console app published, but the error occurred in the data safety form. Let's see the detail page. App issue found. Invalid data safety form in your Play Console. App published, but the problem occurred in your data safety form. Issue detail is split bundle 4. Policy declaration. Data safety section. Device or other ID data type. Device or IDs. Some common examples may include advertising ID, Android ID, IMEI, BSSID. Let's fix this issue. Go to App Content. Click on the Start option under the Data Safety section. Click on Next. Now follow me. When you've completed data safety form, just submit it and wait. Google will review your app again, and your data safety policy issue will be resolved. Thanks for watching my video. For more information, please subscribe my channel.